Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the ghost transition tutorial in CapCut. So first, import your clips to CapCut and then copy it. So click on the clips and click on copy. Then click on the first clip and set it as overlay. Okay, so it will align like this. And add a keyframe at the beginning and also move forward a bit, then add another keyframe. So you'll go like this, and at the second keyframe zoom the clip in like this, and then set the opacity into 0. Okay, click on a check icon, so you'll go like this. Then after that, go to grabs and select the ease out one. So you are done with the ghost transition. Okay, so that is how you can add a ghost transition to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.